Why don't chickens have Facebook? Because they're always on the run from us humans. Now let's dive into our main spectacle, roasting a chicken. To start, crank up your oven to a blistering 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's so hot, even the sun would be jealous. While it's heating up, dab your chicken dry because a moist bird is a no-no. It's not a spa day after all. Now, liberally apply salt, pepper, and your preferred herbs like your sprinkling pixie. Don't hold back, your chicken won't object. It's not on a diet. Following that, lay your well-seasoned bird onto a roasting tray like a sunbather on a beach towel. Slide it into the pre-warmed oven and let it roast. The aroma will be your alert when it's ready. But should your sniffer meter fail you, it should take roughly an hour or until it turns a lovely golden brown. Voila, a roasted chicken bound to be the star of any dining table. If you would be so kind as to excuse me, I have a date with a drumstick. Remember, my dear viewers, mash the like button on this video, share it with your fellow foodies, and subscribe for more swift and humorous culinary escapades. Until next time, see ya.